Hey, QSL, very good, very good. 3 Romeo Charlie, 1, I don't forgot your numbers now. I should have wrote them down. Very good Q5 signal here, Q5 signal here in the state of Tennessee there. You got operator Ken, Kilo Echo November, QSL.
Okay, thank you very much. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. My call 3 Romeo Charlie 018. My operator name is Lima Uniform India Zulu. My city name is Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro City, QSL.
Hey, QSL, very good, very good. Your radio report is 5x7, 5x9. You are 5x5, 5x7, and 5x9. Very good, strong signal in the state of Tennessee. We're located in the state of Tennessee, about 20 miles from Nashville, Music City there, Lewis. Ken, back to you, QSL. QSL, my name is Ken, Kilo Echo November. My contact name is Ken, Kilo Echo November. QSL?
Okay. Well, thank you very much. Dallas Delta X-Ray 94 Del Papa. Microphone, original microphone. My antenna. Very strong antenna. 5 separation 8. Okay. 4 elements yard distance by moment. Zero anterior. My condition,
QSL, very good. Well, I'll tell you what, it's got good audio, very good audio. You do have on 555 when you keyed up, you definitely came over top there. Good audio with the radio. Working conditions on this end is a President Jackson, talking on a President Jackson with an Antron 99, about 25 feet in the air, working a Turner Super Sidekick microphone. Lou, Ken, back to you, QSL.
Yeah, okay, congratulations for the station. Okay, sorry for my English. Okay, sorry for my English. Thank you very much for contact today. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, by 3 Romeo Charlie 018, 5x9 in moment, okay? 5x9, very good motivation.
QSL on the 5x9. Well, we've got good propagation here, and it's very good to make the contact. We've had pretty good conditions all day. It's been a really good day. Yesterday was pretty good. The day was pretty good, and it's always good to make contact down in your country there, QSL. QSL, I'll tell you the conditions are changing, they are dropping out, and I do thank you for coming back and taking my call. It's a pleasure on this end. Good numbers to you and your family, from mine to yours, from my country to your country. It's been a pleasure on this end. 31 Romeo Charlie 018, we do thank you so much. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, USA, North America. We thank you.